Here's Sheldon, his first Easter, eating some Peeps. Getting all messy. Is that good, Sheldon? You gonna bite his tail off or his head off? No, don't get it all over the place. Got to eat food. Eat food. Is that good? Sweet? Yum yum, huh? Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa farmers. Thank you for the Peeps. And happy Easter, everybody. I love my Peeps, just like Mama. Say bye-bye. I love you. Happy Easter. Enjoy your Peeps with all your Peeps. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.